Highlights of this week. Around the new moon, there's a certain way to go about it, so you can smoothly walk through this week.
Become a shining magnet. Give yourself access to a freer lifestyle. Start living in the new era vibe. Let's go travel towards freedom.
Before the new moon, it's not time to start new projects and new things. It's more a time of reflection of how you can better what is already in works. It's only after the new moon that it's time to innovate what you already have in place, or if something new and exciting is coming up, then you can bring it in. In the beginning of the week, we have the feel to expand, travel, and have fun, feel outgoing. So we're creative, optimistic, and that's perfect for communicating with the outer world. It will go way smoother at this time. So whatever you bring out will be well received. And there can also be some romance in the air for those who are up for that. We can feel a bit confused and out of focus, trying to analyze things and understanding it deeper may not be a good time, may not be very fruitful. We are to accept that our mind is a bit blurred up and out of focus, much more inclined to go the dreamy route and just zone out for a while, dream away. But remember, dreams is what makes reality, because our dreams shows the whole picture and lays out pretty much what is the ultimate goal, what feels so right and so freeing. And from there, we can reverse engineer back to now how we can start from here to eventually get to this dreamy state of living. I've gone through this process so many times, so therefore I made a Freer Future roadmap for you in an app, so you can easily get an overview of what is your ultimate dream and how to bring it back to today. Make one brighter step a day, a truly inspiring roadmap all around from what is needed inside and out. But because of this out of focus, information can be off and not very truthful. So be careful of what information is brought to you and how you communicate things. Make sure that others really understand what you're getting at, so there won't be some misunderstanding in communication. It's a good time in the beginning of the week for reflection and feeling in, meditating, doing things, going slow, because the energy is kind of flattened down, so we do not feel very productive. The time is not right for go time, for getting on the move and getting stuff done. Better flow with it. The right time will come later to get a move on. But this moment of downtime is really to make room for inspiration and thinking out of the box, getting into new ways of doing things, innovating ways. How can you go about it? Because the energy is right for imagining how can you go about it differently, what is actually possible, away from the normal way of doing things. So it's a good time to keep planning out how to innovate your life, expand your life, make it more exciting, inviting, and also prosperous. It's a good time to go about the normal, everyday life, and also wrap up all things that doesn't function anymore or needs to get finished. This all expands into the new moon, the 11th. The new moon is the start of a new period, the new beginning for the next 4 weeks. So here the new moon is expansive, innovative, thinking out of the box. How can I better my situations? But still having a realistic mindset of knowing it will take the time it takes. From the new moon a couple of days later will be the time to start moving forward on this. Because Jupiter, which is the biggest planet and also the one that really expands our situation, whatever we're focused on, is favorable for us to expand our finances, ambitions, businesses, whatever is pragmatic and down-to-earth income. The reflection will really stay on course in an inner planning on how to go about all the details and put them all together in the right order. Get your ducks in the row, because on Sunday, all of a sudden, the energy is just flowing with luck, inspiration, and feeling like moving forward on it. Here is the right time to get a move on into the Monday coming up. Creativity and optimism will be on our side, and therefore it will be a good time to just sway into the new week, moving forward on everything that you've planned out, how to take the first brightest step. Not too much each day. A little move a day, a little success spark. Success spark upon success spark will get you moving forward. If you strain yourself with wanting to do too much at once, then you can get overwhelmed, and it will pull you back into that narrow comfort zone of not wanting to do too much, of not feeling comfortable and confident in moving out of the box. It's like the comfort zone is very stretchy. So if you move too fast, too far, it's like an elastic rolling you back into a more narrow comfort zone. So that's why it's important to take a small step forward, repeat it, so you feel comfortable in it before moving to the next step. Thereby you widen your comfort zone where you feel comfortable moving, and here you get more comfortable with feeling the uncomfort of change. It is the play of moving slowly but surely forward, and thereby realizing it was not that bad. It was not that complicated. It was doable. So when you feel, well, this was doable, maybe you can take it a little more. That is how you widen your horizon. You get a more expansive life, more opportunities are then capable. Give the opportunities for signs, synchronicities, people, situations, opportunities to come to you way easier because you've made room for it mentally, as room in your physical life to bring it in. On this, I wish you a shiny magnetic week, and may you sway through the obstacles.